I'm a student leader here at UC Davis, and my long-term goal is to run for elected office and win. I believe it's important to be civically engaged because each of us have our own experiences that we have to put out there and put our perspective into various legislations. I decided to pursue a double major in political science and Spanish because I really love the government side of political science and becoming civically engaged through educating yourself in the subject. And I love Spanish because I love learning about the culture. I'm trying to become bilingual. The two together really give me a balance here at UC Davis.
Well, actually, you can tell her what your work does.
With the financial support I've received from the scholarship, I've been able to pursue more activities outside of working on campus. So I've been able to be a leader in many capacities such as Ignite and Filipina in business and law. And so I've been able to balance that with my academics. I aspire to be a role model because when I was younger, I did not have that role model who was Filipina and a woman pursuing leadership positions, so I hope to be that for other young women. I plan to give back now as both a leader within my two communities, Ignite and Filipina in Business and Law. So through the community work here we do, the workshops that we hold, educating our communities, that's what I'm doing now. And then in the future, I hope to, as an elected official, help support and empower my communities and to address all their needs. Thank you so much for donating to the College of Letters and Science and supporting students like me who want to make a change in the world.